So we picked up the Razer Black Shark gaming headset, surround sound, I don't know. Let's get it out of the box here and see though. So we want to put this on. We want to put this one on. Oh wow, I destroyed that box. That's okay, we don't need the box. Go up there, slide her out, and okay. Let's get the headset. Let's get it out, man. Do not eat the silica gel pack. You don't eat these. Okay, that's bad. Bad. Save it though, because you can use it to dry things out. Your shoes or whatever. Yay. So there's two things hanging down from there. Let's pop this one off. I don't really need this on my head, right? Let's put this one on my head though. See how it feels. Does it matter which one's right and which one's left? Probably. Okay, so, oops, I took that. Took my little mic. There we go, okay. Alright, so this is to the right. Oh, or I'm sorry, left. Dude. Dude, like, okay, I cannot hear anything. Let me see. Can I hear something? Yeah, barely. Like a 5-second delay. Barely. Barely hear that. All right. What we got? I can't see it. Maybe I should have looked at it before I put it on. That might have made sense. Okay, so what's what is this? Okay, so one of them connects to there, one of them connects to here. Okay. That is a lot of cable. Alright, that is a lot of cable. Ooh. So one of these is mic, one of these is headphone. Does it say which is which? Okay, well, one of them's pink. And I think pink signifies microphone, right? That's a lot of cable, dude. That is a lot of cable. Dude, how far away can that go? Like, that can go, good night. Holy heck. That is a lot of cable. Okay, all right. Let's, oh, there's a little mute button right here in the back. Neat. So you can mute your mic and then not have to take it off. Okay, so as long as you remember it's there. Remember. Ooh, is this stickers? Dude, they keep stickers. All right, I like that. I can put those somewhere. It looks like stereo output is denoted as green. Which, is that green? Okay, that might be green. So I was right. Pink would be mic. Although it's not colored pink on here. Okay, so let's unplug that headset. We'll unplug this piece because we only need this one. We don't need a splitter. Okay, so let's unplug that mic headset, and we'll plug this one in. Okay. So now we can hear us. We can hear ourselves. Hello. Okay. Well, this one does not break up as much as this one did. So this one broke up pretty good, pretty a lot. Like noise canceling. It's kind of what it sounded like, where it would miss the first half second, or sometimes even all the word. So that's cool. Bye-bye, trash. And now we got a new headset that like completely muffles everything. Like I am like It's quiet. Awesome. Awesome. I like how it sounds. As far as with the camera, I mean, I don't have a jack to plug into the camera. And if I play it through the... Oh, we could do that. We could do that. Let me just turn that up so you can hear it, I guess. See. Jack, plug into the camera. And if I play it through the... Oh, we can. Let me just turn that up so we can hear it, I guess. See. Jack, plug into the camera. And if I play it through the... All right, let's turn that back down because I don't like hearing myself talk, but wow, like this, it sounds good to me compared to what I've been doing. It sounds good, nice, easy setup. Now we'll put a link for this down below in the description. Does this have anything extra? Anything cool? I mean, it does have the surround sound, so we'll have to check that out. And the cushion's much more comfortable than that one. And of course the blocking sound. Oh, it is like really quiet. Like really quiet. I like it. Oh, the PC or the PlayStation version has a black